The reason why I'm doing this is to test out my audio. This I just bought because I got something upcoming. And also, I want to make sure my mom's recipe stays with the family and everyone else. I won't tell you the exact amount, but I'll tell you what goes in these marinades that my mom has been putting in her entire life for us. She's very known for her Calbee marinade, and today I'm using pork belly. So, according to her recipe, we do have soy sauce to start with, and I already measured it out. And bango. Soy sauce, sugar. Oh yeah. Whisk it together. Get it nice and in there. I feel like Rachel Ray. Why am I trying to talk louder? The mic is right here, so. This is where Rachel Ray kind of starts talking about whatever. I watched her every single day during the summer in high school. I took culinary for 2 years with Miss Kong. Mrs. Kong, I don't know. But taking her class definitely helped me learn a lot about cooking. No, and cross-contamination. So I don't care. So what we got here is also garlic. No, this is ginger. This is garlic. All right, ginger. And I did crush it. We got garlic. I using Costco because I'm just don't want to cut it up. And we'll see what happens. Water. I forgot to add the water. Optional, she said optional. We can do sesame oil, but to be honest, this thing smells so good. So I'm going optional or not. Sesame oil is pretty darn expensive. So we'll get that all together. So I'm not one about spicy foods a lot, but I do like some kind of spice. And probably gonna go with this. I think that's good. Stay. Cool. All right. So chili flakes. We're gonna put a lot because I know my boys likes it. My homies, my peoples, my COVID crew, they like it spicy. One of my boys, Connor McGregor, he gave me a chili plant, which is about to go down. All right, put that in. We're also gonna put some green onions. Forgot how much she said. She said optional. Okay, so we're gonna optionally put as much as I want. Mom, if you see this video later on YouTube, this is because I did a video for Dad. And I figure I'd do a video in remembrance of you too. And I also want those oxtail recipes and those Filipino recipes. Because living out here, away from you guys, I don't get to eat that often anymore. So, boom, that's it. I'm also again talking on this mic, and I really hope I'm recording because this will suck if not. If not, I'll play music. Music will fix everything. So we'll see how much can fit in here. Golly, I wish I can just use my hands. Oh, bruh. Oh my goodness. Look how fat that piece is. Look how thick. This is bacon on steroids. All right. We're gonna put this in there. Woo-wee. I really think I need more sauce, but we can flip this. It is a 48-hour marinade. That concludes my mom's recipe, and you know, this is home for us. This is what we grew up on. Well, it took me 18 years to eat vegetables, and now I eat all of it, everything. Food brings people together, so I do have about 10 slices, so I can share this with maybe 4 people, because I'm a big boy. So here you go. We're calling this Auntie Velley's pork belly, or mom's pork belly. All right, guys, peace out.